Hello everyone and welcome to SQL development course. We are at day 9. This is your host Mohan and today we are going to learn about other commands which we have left in last session. So in the last session we have learned about DML and DDL and today we will learn about DCL and TCL. Those are data control language and transaction control language. So without any further delay, let's move to the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay. So here, uh, as I said, like we will be learning about data control language and transaction control language. So data control language, basically, it will control how the data will be accessed or what permissions we will be providing to any user and what kind of permission will be providing to that particular user. So this is how it will control the access of the data. So here, first we will see that how many rows we have in the employees table. Oh, employees. Okay, sorry, I am in incorrect database. What I will do, what is this? Let's start from EMPLOYAS employees. Yes, okay. Today, what I will do, I will just copy paste the script because it will take time and I only have a very limited time. As per the limitation of LinkedIn, I can only record 15 minutes video. So to make the fast process faster, I will just paste the commands. So what I will do now here, you can see we don't have any logins here. So I will create one login with the we will create a login in master database. Okay, so we will create a login with test user and password will be password at 123. I'll create this use login. This is a login, not a user. Login is created here. Now I'll go to employee database and here at present there is no user, right? So now I will create a user for that particular login. So now I have to select this employee database and I am creating a user, test user for this login, whichever we have created. Right now I have created the user. Now if I will go again in the employee database, I can see this test user. Now let's do one thing. I did not give any permission to the test user. What I will do, I will connect with the user test user. Okay, the password is PASSWORD 23. Okay, now I have connected with test user, right? Now I will go to the database and I'll open a new query. Okay, so here I will try to run this query. What? Select star from employee. So now it is saying select permission was denied on the object employees database employee and then DBO schema, right? So this user by which we have connected test user, it does not have any permission, select permission. This is just a user. Okay, now if I want to give the permission to this particular user on employee database, what I will do, I will come into this our main user. I'll write this grant select on employee. Employee means this is the object. Object means is the table, right? I am granting the select permission, right? Let me grant the select permission. Okay, so select permission is granted. Now if I will select, it will come. So this is how we use grant. So we have provided the permission, select permission here. Now what else? So now, for example, we want to insert some data here, right? Insert into employee. Okay, values, and I will write 9 is the primary ID. Other thing I can repeat because this is not a primary key, and it can be repeated. So I'll repeat the other thing. Okay. Okay. Now, if I will try to insert this statement, I will run the insert statement. It says EMP. Okay. Mm, employees. Okay. It is saying insert permission was denied on this object, right? For this user, right? So now, if I will give the permission here that grant insert on employee, right? Now this user will be able to insert because we have provided the permission. So whenever you want to provide the permission, we use the DCL, that is data control language. So we have provided, granted the user that particular access to insert the insert the data. Now if I want to revoke the same permission, I will write revoke insert on this. Or maybe, okay, maybe at present we are able to select everything, but if I will revoke the select permission, revoke select on employees to user, it is done. Now if I will run the same command, it will say select permissions denied. So this is how we do grant the permission and we revoke the permission on any object for any user. There is one more thing, one more command that is called the uh, deny. So if you want to explicitly deny any permission, for example, if you want to deny delete on this employee table to user this, I can use this command. So that user will not be able to perform this deny operation. So this is about the DCL. Now I'll move to TCL, that is transaction control language. So let me remove all of this and I will, okay, let me do this. Selected star from employee. It has employee name, position, salary, and department as well. Okay. So I will write one statement here. Insert into salary, well, department. Okay. Okay. So 6 is already there. I'll say 10 here. Okay. Fine. So if I want to insert, so yeah, in case of transaction control language, so we will use a begin tran, commit or rollback. So instead of writing this command, I will write begin tran first. Okay, begin tran, and then I will write the command whatever I want to do, like insert update. And if I will run this statement, if I will run this statement begin tran and insert, the rows will be inserted, right? But as we have started the statement with begin tran, we should make it as either commit or rollback. If you write commit, then statement will be committed and it cannot be rolled back. But at this stage, I can roll back this statement. So I have already executed these two statements. Now I realize that okay, I should not insert this value and I want to roll back this transaction. Whatever you have written here, if you want to roll back, I will just click on roll back. Now, if I will run this select star from employee, I'll not be able to see that row which I have inserted. Now I will try this again with begin tran. See, if you don't use begin tran, for example, if you only run this, right? It has inserted. You can see it is inserted. Row number 10, you cannot roll back because you have not used the begin tran. And even you cannot commit because you haven't used any begin tran. So here, for example, I will say 11. Now, if I will use it with the begin tran, okay, and now I have made sure that it is correct, then I have committed it. Now you'll see we have this 11th row as well, but we cannot roll back because we have already committed this. So every rollback and commit will have the begin trend. So this is useful when you are writing multiple insert update, and if you want to verify once you executed the statement, you verify, and then when you satisfy, then only you just commit or you just roll back. So this is how we use commit and rollback. There is one more command in TCL that is called save transaction or save tran. How we can use it? Let us put an example here. So now I will give it as 12. Okay, I will not commit it first. Begin tran, then one insert statement. And now if I want to save this transaction, so what I will do, I will write save tran and I will give the save point 1. I will explain what will happen due to this. Save tran, and then I can put here 13, right? So here I have begin the transaction. I have inserted the row, and now I have just put a save point. And again, I am trying to insert one row. Okay, and now I have I'm executing this, right? So now you can see there are how many rows? 13 rows. Now if I want to, if I will write this rollback, so this both whole transaction like this 12 and 13 row will be rolled back. Let me see, right? Both the rows are rolled back. But in our transaction, suppose we have multiple rows where we are doing insert, update, or delete. And if I want to save the transaction till some point, I will use this save point. And for example, if I run this statement again, begin tran, and now if I want only this record to be rolled back, because I have put the save tran here, I have the option that I can only roll back till this point, right? So for that, what you need to do, you need to write, instead of rollback, you need to write tran save point 1, right? If I will run this statement now, only till this value it will be rolled back. Let me see. See, we can see that we have 12 a row as well. So this is how we use save point. So we have covered DDL and DML, DCL and TCL. In our next session, what I will do, I will try to cover some operators which are important to understand and which we will use very frequently in case of SQL data development. Okay. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much.